Okay, I am going to read the math assessment, the written math test, and it should say number 22 in the corner. Hopefully your parents were able to print this out, and I am going to read the test as you follow along and answer it, okay? So you will need a pencil. Number 1, Alex had 36 nickels and 83 pennies. He gave 27 pennies to Marcus. How many pennies does he have now? All I can tell you is to remember to underline and bracket important things. I'm going to read it again. Alex had 36 nickels and 83 pennies. He gave 27 pennies to Marcus. How many pennies does he have now? And this is tricky. Look for the information that they are asking for. Don't get caught, okay? Write your number sentence, rewrite your problem vertically to work it out, and then, because there will be regrouping, and then put your answer. And always remember, if I go too fast, just press pause. Have your parents help you with that if you don't know how to do it quite yet. Okay, I'm going to just wait a minute. Alex said 36 nickels and 83 pennies. He gave 27 pennies to Marcus. How many pennies does he have now? Number 2, show how to share the balloons equally. Show how to share the balloons equally. So the first picture has 12 balloons that you need to share, and that's an even number. And the second picture has 9 balloons that you need to share, which is an odd number. Okay, share those equally. And I'm going to give you one little clue. You use an R for a remainder if any are left over. Okay, number 3. Make sure you answer the questions at the bottom of that too. 1/2 of 12 is, 1/2 of 9 is. Number 3, how much money is this? Write the amount 2 ways. How much money is this? Write the amount 2 ways. Read the coins to the right. Number 4, use a crayon to trace an example of parallel lines on this paper. Okay, you can use a pencil if you want. Just do it to the right of the coins so I'll know. And draw an example of parallel lines. Then it says, where do you see parallel lines in the classroom? Okay, I will not count off for this. If you can look around wherever you are now and see parallel lines, I would love for you to write that down. But I am not going to count this question. Number 5, show 11:24 on both clocks. So you'll write it on the digital clock, and then you'll go over to the big clock on the right-hand side and write 11:24. So you'll show 11:24 on both clocks. Then down below that, it says what time is shown on the clock. So you will look at that smaller clock, you will read the time, and then you will write it on the digital clock. And number 6 is find the answers. So it is mixed. It is a mixture of addition and subtraction. And 2 of those you have to rewrite vertically, okay? And there will be regrouping. And boys and girls, I would highly suggest you go over each question on your own after you are done and recheck your work. That's an important habit to get into as we move forward in math as you get bigger. Double check your work, and if you get a different answer, then you do it a 3rd time. If you get the same answer, then you know that you've probably gotten it right. Okay?